Good morning. Today is 24th May 2024. Now I'm staying at a far distance, 40 kilometer of Missouri, of Uttarakhand. It's a deep village of the mountain. It's all over the mountain. There is any side you can visit. It's a mountain and the village. Village women doing their job. It's a very old house. You can see. So I'm just come in a deep jungle, you can say. It's near about 50 kilometers of the Missouri, and it's near about 200 kilometers from the Dehradun. From Delhi, you can say it's a 500 approx around, maybe plus minus. So watch the environment, watch the nature. This is the home made by soil, and there is a forest very nearest. Sometimes you can see the tiger and bear and the deer. What is inside the jungle? So if you really want to enjoy the jungle life or nature life with the organic food, you have to come, you have to visit this place or this type of place. So please contact with us. My mobile number is +91 9830 945434. This is my WhatsApp number. Don't call me. Please WhatsApp text to me. And there is very nearest waterfall. It's a natural. You can get the mineral water. It's a 1 month staying project. If you come to our place, you have to stay minimum 1 month. Villager use this technology in the deep village of Uttarakhand.